I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Whatever general knowledge as well as chemistry, physics and biology I will be discussing. Whoever has examination on after 15th of April 2023 for the Army Nursing Assistant, Technical as well as General Duty people, these are very important and more important for clerk also. The reason of explaining these questions are, these questions have compiled from various examinations and these are very important for you to go through in your exams. You will have a gunshot questions in it. So let us start. Whatever the expecting questions of general knowledge, we will make one video and we will make chemistry and then followed by biology. So without wasting your time and my time, and let me introduce myself. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Indian Navy retired. As you can see, I have compiled various books. This is Coast Guard and we have Army Clerk related examinations and we have something towards Army Technical previous year original papers, and I made Staff Selection Commission General Duty and MTS previous papers questions also I have compiled. These are previous questions. So if you want these books, you can directly call me. You know that there is a book called All-in-One which has made in pictorial explanation. This book consists of all pictures. More than 3000 pictures have been compiled from various sources. This is some small practice examination purpose. And we have something Army General Duty which is full of original question papers. One of the best book ever I had made. Along with that, I'll be giving color printout of various. You can see how exactly the color printout, English as well as we have mathematics, reasoning, general knowledge, general science, everything is given in this. So I'll be given these things. If you want, you can directly call me on 766730T252. So without wasting your time, let us start. So general knowledge, these questions are like this. Dibyendu Barua. So until now we have known about Vishwanathan Anand. You may ask related to chess game. Dibyendu Barua is associated with the game chess. You know Hima Das, she is an athlete. I want you guys to comment me in the section she belongs to which state. And Somdev Dev Verman, he is the guy tennis player, as well as we have various tennis players, Leander Pace and Mahesh Bhupati. And the lady, I want you guys to comment me in the section what is the name of the lady who belongs to tennis, who got married with Shoaib Malik of Pakistan. And we have Neeraj Chopra. He is a guy who got gold medal from Indian Army. In the Olympics, he has got the gold medal in javelin throw. I want you guys to comment me the distance he has thrown that javelin. I want you guys to comment. The award is given to the university for its all-round good performance in sports. Normally every university will be given in various fields awards. So this Maulana Abul Kalam Azad trophy will be given for the all-round performance in the sports will be given. What will be the size of the image formed by concave mirror when an object placed between pole and focus? See, there is one thing in the, we know that we have various mirror as well as lenses. In the case of mirror, we use concave mirror which is called as converging, which has got bent. If the light rays fall on it, it will converge at this place. If it is a convex, it goes away. So it is a concave mirror, so it converges somewhere. That is called as a focus. We know the distance between, so if any object is placed between the focus and pole, the object, how exactly the size of the image will be, that will be enlarged. That is what he had asked. And next we have Guru Nanak Dev. He born in Talavandi. This is very important. Mahavira Swami birthplace is Kundagrama, and Buddha's birthplace is Lumbini Gardens, and Shivaji birthplace is Kusur, and Vivekananda Swami, we know he is from Kolkata. Even Rabindranath Tagore also from Kolkata, famous personalities we can see from West Bengal. Now we have something called headquarters of Allahabad Bank, which is located in Calcutta. If I say there are various banks other than this, I want you guys to comment me what is the name of the banks which are located in Chennai and the bank headquarters in Manipal. We know Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, all these headquarters is located in Mumbai. I want you guys to comment me in the section what is the name of the head office of which bank is located in Manipal and Chennai. Whatever questions I am asking, they are very important. If I say everything for you, which is a spoon feeding, I want you guys to work out something, go to the internet and find out and comment me in the section. I just want to see how people you are working hard. Hard working is mandatory. If you are not working hard, I am very sorry. Fuck off from my YouTube channel. You are not the right person to stay here. And if I say Guru Ghasidas National Park is located in Chhattisgarh, there are various national parks. I had already explained in playlist. Even you can directly go through my books also. You have the national parks. Among them, there are few parks which are currently being renamed and inaugurated. They have been asked in the exams. So Guru Ghasidas, this national park is located in Chhattisgarh, and Broom and Groom book is authored by Kiran Bedi. You know, she was the LG of the Puducherry, Lieutenant Governor. We call it as for every union territories. We don't have governors. We have Lieutenant Governors. Next, we have the co-founder and e-commerce store of Flipkart. You know about it. Binny Bansal is the guy who is the co-founder of it. If I say Ahmedabad has got UNESCO World Heritage Site tag, every place has been given heritage site tag, but Ahmedabad is the first, like we can say district, or we can say the city which has been given United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. This World Heritage Site has been given for the first time in India. When it comes to the author of the book, Neel Darpan by Deenabandhu Mitra, she was the one who has composed this book called Neel Darpan. Darpan means mirror. Neel means blue mirror, we can call it as. The book written by Varah Mihira. It is not Varah Mitra, it is Varah Mihira, Brihat Samhita. So you should know. I want you guys to tell me Ritu Samhara composed by whom. When it comes to musical instrument, you must know what are the type of musical instrument. You may ask in reasoning questions. The musical instrument reed, it is we call it as cane. And the instrument, this reed type of instrument which is made of cane, that instrument name is Sehnai. You know that Sehnai, how exactly Bismillah Khan like he plays. So this is one instrument which is a reed instrument which is made of cane. So that is Sehnai. If I say percussion instrument, Mridangam, it vibrates. Mridangam. Wind, we know the flute, we throw the, like we send wind through it by making that, that pressure. So we can use it as wind instrument, that is flute. And violin is made of string and we play with the help of the string. There is something called Go, is the traditional and national dress for men in Bhutan. We can see this kind of, if I say satin, I want you guys to comment me in the section. The word satin is related to which traditional one? And if I say Lavani, you know the dance of Maharashtra. So these kind of traditional dresses also you have to remember. And if I say Botanical Survey of India, head office is located in Calcutta. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. I want you guys to comment me in the section 1 gallon of water is equal to how it measures. The first to experimentally determine the value of universal gravitational constant, we know there is a scientist called Henry Cavendish is the one who found universal gravitational constant, that is capital G. It is not acceleration due to gravity, it is capital G, that is constant. The trophy associated with the game called as bridge. We know there is a game called bridge. In that, the prominent important trophy is Holker trophy. When it comes to Kumbh Mela, this Kumbh Mela, normally we can see Mahakumbh Mela at Allahabad. This is the place also known as at present Prayagraj. So there Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati get confluence. So that is the reason the name of this is known as Prayagraj. We have at various places along with the Allahabad, Haridwar we have, Ujjain and Nashik. These are the 4 places where Mahakumbh, like Kumbh Mela, takes place. I want you guys to comment me in the section after how many years this Mahakumbh Mela occurs. Next we have Peacock Island Temple. That temple is also known as Umananda Temple. I want you guys to comment me in the section where exactly the location of Umananda Temple. The Battle of Saragari, which was fought in 1897, you can see there is a movie called Kesariya. So in that movie, Akshay Kumar was the leading Sikh. So in that, how many number of Sikhs were fought against Britisher? I want you guys to comment me in the section. I want you guys to tell me what is the name of that Sikh Guru who led in that war. So that was fought in 1897, Battle of Saragari. There is a Olympic made by dissolving bauxite in sulfuric acid. So you can see the bauxite is an ore of aluminium. It is dissolved in the sulfuric acid to obtain the metal called, the element called, like we have this Olympic alloy. Next we have Tayyam, is the ritual art form of Kerala. Along with the Tayyam we have Pookalam, which is a floral design of Pookalam. Pookalam, it's a floral design of Kerala also. There are various ritual arts and the various designs you can see in Kerala. Next we have hemophilia or sickle cell anemia. So this is both are same. Hemophilia is also known as, we can call it as sickle cell anemia. The international system of unit, we know that Tesla we have for the magnetic flux density units is Tesla. And I want you guys to comment me what is the unit of magnetic induction. Next we have the book I Do What I Do. This book is composed by Raghuram Rajan. And we have Chuni Goswami, on whose name a commemorative stamp was issued by the Indian Postal Department. He was a professional Indian football player. Very important. You may be asked. The Hemis Monastery, which is located in Ladakh region. And I want you guys to comment me how many monasteries you know and where are the best monasteries located. You know, this monastery is the temple for the Buddhist monks. So very important. You should know where exactly the respective religion, as we pray in temple, the Sikh will pray in Gurudwara and Muslim will pray in Dargah. In the same manner, the Buddhist will be prayed in monastery. And I want you guys to comment me in the section where exactly the Baha'i religions people pray in that worship place. If I say Parsis also, I want you guys to comment me what is the name of the temple which is they go to the temple name which is for the Parsis. Very important questions. Don't underestimate. That is the reason why I am telling you to purchase all-in-one book. In that everything has been given. Examination you will be asked at any time of these kind of activities. You can directly go through that. When it comes to primary constituent of pearls, the pearls has got calcium carbonate. So we can see in mollusk. The pearls is obtained and we'll make it for the ornaments. They are made of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. When it comes to the important dish, the famous cuisine of litti choka, you can see in Bihar state, one of the finest dish. Treaty of Salbhai signed in the year 1782. You must know what are the treaties have happened. Every treaty occurs post any kind of war or anything like that. So this was happened in the year 1782. The Patkar paintings are unique cultural symbols of Jharkhand. We can see these kind of paintings. Which of the following scripts is considered as the mother of all modern Indian scripts? That is Brahmi. You must know what are the scripts are there. If I say the script Brahmi, we have Devanagari script, and we have for the Arabic, what is the name of the Arabic script? And you can directly see from the right to left, they write the Urdu, you know about that. So there are various scripts you should know, and you can comment me in the section whatever you know. The instrument normally played in vertical position with an arched bow, this is called as sarangi. You know that bow, in that bow there are sling, in that stings we can directly play that by holding it vertically. Horizontal is veena, how exactly we play the veena with the horizontal position. But they're asking which is with the arched bow, that is sarangi. Very important question. You may get these kind of questions in exams. The kind of traditional sports which is known as Vallam Khali, that is boat racing. Normally you can find this kind of boat racing Kerala. On the Onam festival, you will have the competition among the people with the different type of snake boats, we call it as. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to life, and I want you guys to comment me what Article 17 says. The river Indus lies to the Chhat Puja of Great Indian Desert. So here you must know whatever the puja, that is Chhat Puja, which is celebrated in Bihar. So here you can see I want you guys to, there is some small correction. Chhat Puja is celebrated in Bihar. The river Indus, where it lies to the in Great Indian Desert. We can see in that place. There are two questions. Chhat Puja is irrelevant to this. Next we have, which of the following is a well-known variety of coffee initially brought to India from Yemen? So here that coffee's name is Arabica. So that was a variety which was brought to India from Yemen. The Speaker of the House of the people may submit his. So very important. This is related to resignation to the Deputy Speaker of the House of the People. So we have the Speaker at present. I want you guys to comment me who is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha at present. He has to give his resignation letter if he wants to leave the house. Then that has to be next superior, like subordinate, that is Deputy Speaker. When it comes to with which dance form classical dancer Shovna Narayan related to? So Shovna Narayan from Kathak. You should know Birju Maharaj also from Kathak, and he is from Uttar Pradesh. In which state of India does the Vainya Falls lie? In Meghalaya we can see Vainya waterfalls. Very important. These kind of questions you may be asked. Which of the following regions was annexed by British East India Company? The Treaty of Yandhabu. See, you will be asked one question related to treaty of different treaties. We have been asked different treaties you can't even expect. So this Treaty of Yandhabu in the year 1826, it has been, you can see the following regions. It was annexed by the British East India Company. With this Yandhabu, that is Assam, has been occupied by the Britishers in that treaty. When it comes to the mineral named, which of the following communities of Sikkim is traditionally associated with the folk dance, that is Chufat? There should be every tribe. You can see the Lepcha tribe. Normally you will find these type of maximum lepcha tribes are in Sikkim. They have the folk dance named as Chu Fart. So Chu Fart dance is famous in that lepcha tribe of Sikkim. When it comes to Buddhist texts, they are written in Pali language, so you must know what are the type of scripts. So this you can see Brahmi, Pali, these are all various scripts. So Buddhist, they were adopted Pali language. Vijayalaya was the Chola ruler who built Nishumbasudini goddess temple in Tanjavur. I want you guys to comment me where is Tanjavur is located in which state. So Vijayalaya, he was the important ruler of Chola. He made this Nishambusudini goddess temple. Kelucharan Mahapatra, one of the important bit in this video. You may be asked, Kelucharan Mahapatra is associated with which dance? Then you have to write Odissi. Obviously, he is from Odisha. If I say which of the following laws is applicable to the force of attraction or repulsion between the 2-point charges, that is Coulomb's law. In that only we can see Q1, Q2. So that attraction or repulsion. Buddhadev Das Gupta was a sarod player. And which of the following terms is not associated with the cricket? There is a word called a slam dunk, which is not at all relevant to cricket. Maiden, leg before wicket, Yorker, you can see in cricket. Mahakali caves, these are the group of 19 rock cut monuments which is located in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra we have Elephanta caves near to Gateway of India. If I say Ajanta and Ellora, which is located in Aurangabad. So you have various caves. Kaniri caves also located in Maharashtra. There are various caves you will find in Maharashtra. Aihole was the capital of the Chalukyas. There are various Mahajanapadas you must know. In the 16 Mahajanapadas you have different capitals. So Aihole is the capital of Chalukyas. The largest stupa in India is Kesariya. And I want you guys to comment me where exactly this Kesariya stupa is located. I want you guys to work out who was conferred with the National Ritya Shiromani Award. 2022, this award has been given to Aparna. And Satishan Dhopkel is a popular game in Assam and resembles kabaddi played with a ball. See, this is like kabaddi only, but it will be played with the ball. That is Dhopkel, Satishan Dhopkel. He was the guy who found it, and in his name it has been given. Who among the following is popularly known as Panchamda? So this is R.D. Burman's name, that is Panchamda. Mudiyattu, a traditional folk theatre of Kerala, we can say. This type of traditional folk dance also performed in Kerala. The parliament, while in session, begins with the question hour, and you must know that question hour, it prolongs up to 1 hour, half an hour to 1 hour. Who is the first trans woman to win the Padma Shri award in Bharatanatyam? She is Nartaki Nataraj. This is very important, guys. All the questions, whatever I am giving, they are very important. Don't underestimate them. This video will help you a lot. Who among the following led the Battle of Buxar on behalf of British? That is East India Company. So during that time, during Battle of Buxar, Hector Munro was the leading person during that on behalf of British East India Company. We have the capital of Mahajanapada, that is Gandhara. So we can see that Taxila. So these are all Mahajanapadas you must know. So Gandhara has got the capital is Taxila. Chaitya in the Buddhist architecture refers to, it's a prayer hall, we can call it as. The warm current, we know that, which is also known as Gulf Stream, we can say. And we can say Mukteshwara temple, so which was built during the 10th century. This is dedicated to Lord Shiva, which is located in Odisha. So we have Konark, which is famous for temples. And next we have locust, is an example of arthropoda. You should know Annelida, arthropoda, all these various species. But locust, we know that this locust damages, the swarm of locust comes and all leaves will be eaten by them, and we will not be having any kind of food for us. Who become the first Governor General of India in the year 1773? That was Warren Hastings. I want you guys to comment me who was the first Indian Governor General who took over in India. The amount of work done in moving a charge of 4C across 2 points having potential difference 6 volt. So this is very important. Work done is equal to Q is equal to, it's a product of charge as well as potential difference. So it is CV, you can call it as Q is equal to CV. So it is 24 joules. Now we have Akbar's revenue minister. During that time, Todarmal was the revenue minister for Akbar. And we have Indo-Gangetic Plain, which is very famous for the rice. Here we have Sundari trees. You will find in Ganga, Brahmaputra, Delta region. And we have the Kharif crops grown during the time of monsoon. Ravi, Kharif, Zayad. There are various type of crops are grown. During the monsoon, we have Kharif. And we have rice during that time is maximum. During the Zayad, we have vegetables and fruits we can find in this season. Madhavi Mudgal, she is associated with the classical dance of India from, we can see she is a Odissi dancer. Harisena was the court poet during the time of Samudragupta. And we have Kalari Payattu, it's a martial art which was originated in Kerala. And Mudiyattu, it's also traditional folk dance in Kerala. And we have Chera Panhara ritual, which is a Rath Yatra in Odisha. We can see this kind of ritual activity. Next we can see the ancient sport pits crowds of brave young men against angry bulls. This you can find in Tamil Nadu, Jallikattu. There is a race called Kambala in Karnataka, in Jallikattu, which is famous in who has to control the angry bulls. That you will find in Tamil Nadu. Deficit financing, it means government borrows money from the Reserve Bank of India. When government has no money, they will have to borrow from the Reserve Bank. The minimum ignition temperature is, we can see in petrol, if you have any kind of small spark also, petrol gets burnt. Natural fiber, we can see silk, we can call it as this is a natural fiber. There are various, you must know about it. Man-made fiber is nylon. The rayon is obtained from the wool pulp. So very important. These are different fibers. If I say artificial fiber, that is one of the examples is nylon. Oxygen molecule is a diatomic, we know that O2. So if I say ozone molecule is what, I want you guys to comment me in the section. Center of the cyclone is a calm area which is known as eye of the storm. You know that cyclone, so in that center is known as eye of the storm. If I say in solar system, the sun is at the place known as foci, F-O-C-I. It is not, we don't call it as center. We call it sun is located at foci. Very important questions. Polycot is a mixture of polyester as well as cotton. And we have rayon, which is obtained from wood pulp. The best solution for overcoming the evil effects of small and unbecoming holdings is, we know it as cooperative farming. In this, what happens is, we overcoming the evil effects of small and unacademic holdings, it will be focused on it. And we should know what is the step farming. Step farming is like terrace farming, how the tea gardens are made. Dhamek Stupa, which is located in Saranath, Sanchi, that is a place where we can see Dhamek Stupa as well as Sanchi Stup. I want you guys to comment me in the section where this Saranath is located, in which state. Argon has the lowest electronic affinity, and argon is one of the inert gases. I want you guys to comment me what is the atomic number of argon. So whatever the questions I am asking, don't underestimate them. Nylon is used for sleeping bags as well as a parachute, and toothbrushes can be used. The title of Raja to Ranjit Singh, you can see Zaman Shah. So this is the one, the title has been given. So we can see here mass is 18 and velocity is 6. Momentum is equal to rho is equal to mass into velocity. 18 6 is 108. That is the answer. The swift movement of the falling water droplets along with the rising air create lightning and sound. This we call it as thunderstorm. Very important. So in this you will find the swift movements. Water droplets can be seen, lightning along with the sound. We call it as thunderstorm. In case of equal voting, who among the following can cast only a casting vote in Lok Sabha? That is, Speaker of the Lok Sabha who can cast his vote. Foothill range of Himalaya is known as Shivalik. Very important. So this is Shivalik. In case of equal voting, who among the following can cast only a casting vote? That is Lok Sabha only. When it comes to the world's highest volcanic mountain, whose name is Cotopaxi, which is located in Ecuador. I want you guys to comment me. Mount Vesuvius is located in which place? The Samadhi of Guru Gobind Singh. You know this, Guru Gobind is the last Sikh Guru, which is Nanded. That place is called as Nanded. Two volcanic islands located in the Indian territory are Barren and Narcondam, you can tell. And when warm air rises up and cold air from the surrounding area rushes in to fill its place, then this sets up convection in air. Very important. So we know that how exactly this convection process takes place. So warm air rises up and cold air surrounding area rushes. Obviously hot air always upper only. Lord Mahavira's name prior to acquiring knowledge is known as Vardhamana, as we have Siddhartha after attaining he has been given as Buddha. So the process of electric discharge between the clouds and the earth, this is known as lightning. We have plasma membrane. It's a feature of cell, allows or permits the entry and exit of some materials in and out of the cell, which is a plasma membrane. Burzil Pass is located in Jammu and Kashmir. General formula of alkenes is CnH2n. Very important bits. When it comes to, now we have various topics, we can finish it at the earliest. Sanjukta Panigrahi, Sonal Mansingh, Madhavi Mudgal, they are all the dancers related to Odissi, but Yamini Krishnamurti is not related to Odissi. I want you guys to comment what exactly she is famous for. Padma Bhushan awardee Ustad Sabri Khan was a Sarangi player. Very important, Sabri Khan is related to Sarangi. Ramnath Goenka awards normally given in the field of journalism. You can see Pulitzer Prize also related to journalism. In any food chain, the top level is occupied by the human beings because we dominate over all the animals. We take the food because we are the parasites over others. The popular fiction named Ravana shaking Mount Kailasha, you can see these type of carvings in the caves called as Ellora. Among the following introduced the practice of Sajda is the prostration and paibos, kissing the feet of monarch in the court of Ghiyasuddin Balban. You can see there. Bogibeel Bridge that connects Dibrugarh in Assam to Pasighat in Arunachal Pradesh. Bali Yatra, the voyage to Bali, is celebrated in which of the following state? We can see in Odisha. And we have Pandavani is a folk singing style popular in the state of Chhattisgarh, the southernmost Jyotirlinga we can call it. So this is something Pandavani, this type of singing style. Kalaripayattu, I told, which is a martial art in Kerala. The silver coins introduced during the time of Sher Shah Suri was known as Rupaya. Meghalaya bamboo irrigation system, very old practice. You may be asked in exams, bamboo drip irrigation system is found in which state? Then you have to write the old practice of bamboo drip irrigation system is found in Meghalaya. This is the question, damn sure. I know how exactly they think. What is the name of the Malala Yousafzai? So this is something called as that biopic. Gul Makai is the biopic name of Malala Yousafzai. She is from Pakistan, who got Nobel Peace Prize along with Kailash Satyarthi. Bedaquiline, this drug is developed to treat MDR tuberculosis. Very important. I want you guys to comment me what is MDR. TB, we know that. Tuberculosis, we normally have a vaccine for TB, that is Bacilli calmette gurion. Iodized salt in our diet is very important, which gives iodine to our thyroid glands. Otherwise, we'll have the Adam's apple, that is goiter. Bat is a nocturnal animal. Marsupial animal is kangaroo. There are various types of animals you must know. Mammalians also. The chemical is widely used in to unclog drains and sinks. Normally, we have a wash basin and sinks where we have to put sodium hydroxide, then we can directly unclog the drains. Largest drinking water reservoir in the world, which is located in Saudi Arabia, guys. And Kanchipuram, it's the capital of Pallava dynasty. The animal which hibernates, that is bat. It can be, hibernation is what we can see during the time of winter. We have a icy region outside where this hibernation process may extend up to 6 months. They don't eat anything, they just stay inside the caves. So that is bat. In 326 BC, after crossing the river Indus, you can see here something called Indus, advancing towards Taxila, the famous person who has come through that, Alexander the Great. Now we have Chowkhandi Stupa. It's a Buddhist monument which is located in Uttar Pradesh. The disease among the given options spread via pigs. We know that through rats we get plague, through dog we get rabies, and through pigs we get swine flu. Swine are obviously itself a pig. Drizzle is an example of precipitation, how exactly we get rain initially. Kangaroo is an example of marsupial animal. The type of cultivation is used and practiced in areas of thick vegetation, heavy rainfall and quick regeneration, that is called as shifting. We call it as shifting type of cultivation where you have the heavy rainfalls. The chemical compound in the chili which gives the characteristic or pungent or spicy taste because of capsaicin only. Otherwise, it will not be that much spicy. Land breeze is a breeze blows towards the sea. See, land breeze and sea breeze towards the sea from the land, especially at the night. Land during the night, sea breeze during the day. Sea, from the sea we get cold air. When I was in Mumbai, I can see during the daytime it was very cold because of sea breeze only. Sea is giving breeze to us, so that is sea breeze during the daytime. During the night time it should be normally cold, but because of the land, the whole breeze goes like this to sea. So we have the warm during the night. Next we have Ganymede is by far the largest moon in our solar system, orbits around the planet, that is Jupiter. So we know that Jupiter has got this kind of moon. Silambam is a martial arts form associated with the Tamil Nadu, and we have various martial arts, you must know them. A system in which local farmers were allowed to cultivate temporarily within a plantation is known as Tongya cultivation, we call it as. Watermelon is produced during the Zaad season. You know, all these vegetables and fruits we can find in this season only. Muga silk is the product of the silkworm endemic to Assam. So you can see this kind of silk. Prairies are grasslands present in North America. We can see this type of grasslands. The founder of Fit India movement is Suparno Sakpat is the founder of Fit India movement. Mount Sinolchu is associated with the Sikkim. Tongue is a human body contains gustatory receptors, guys. Next we have Sutirtha Mukherjee is an Indian table tennis player, and we have Varabandi is a system of equitable distribution of water in the common area of canal outlet. So Varabandi, it's a system. Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha is removed from his office by a resolution of Lok Sabha passed by a majority of all the members of the Lok Sabha. We can see this. So he is the guy, Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha can be easily removed with the discussion of this members. Puri is located in Odisha, where the Konark temple is also exist. India's only female Shahana player, we know Ustad Bismillah Khan is the Shahana player. Along with her, there is female Bhageshwari Kamar. She is also one of the finest and only Shahana player. Halim is a type of new popular Arabian dish which is also known as haris. Tropical deciduous forest, which is also known as monsoon forest, guys, very important. The world's first lady journalist of cricket is John Crick, is the first lady who is the journalist for the cricket. Malwa Plat lies between Aravali as well as Vindhya range. We can see this Malwa Plat. And I just want to tell you guys, this video is very lengthy, but the content what has been given very important. Don't underestimate them. If you want, you can pause it, you can directly prepare. The Malwa Plat, which is lies between Aravali as well as Vindhya ranges. You can see what is the diameter of the weight of the discus throw we used in discus throw in men's category. It has to be like 2 kgs in weight and 22 centimeters in diameter. So 11 centimeters of radius. You can hold like this. You can directly throw in this manner. So next we have the last king of Mauryan Empire is Brihadrata. The founder of Mauryan Empire is Chandragupta Maurya. So you must know first and last king of every rulers. Among the following was the founder of the Vakataka dynasty. So this Vakataka founder is Vindhya Shakti. Article 17 is related to abolition of untouchability. Narendra Modi inaugurated Arunachal Pradesh first greenfield airport in the city Holongi. Very important. In Arunachal, we have got at present airport. That place is known as Holongi. This question you may be asked. 108 feet bronze statue of prosperity in Bengaluru, inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has been built to commemorate in the name of Nada Prabhu Kempe Gowda. So it has been built, the place in airport, that is Bengaluru Kempe Gowda airport. There this 108 feet bronze statue has been built. So it is in Karnataka. Festivals you should know, important this topic. Gangur festival is celebrated in the honor of goddess. It is celebrated by the women folk of Rajasthan. That woman we can call it as Parvati Devi. In her name this Gangur festival is celebrated. We know Lord Parvati, Lord is Parvati. Hemis festival is celebrated in Ladakh region. 4 major festivals of Arunachal Pradesh are Siang River Festival, and there are very important, that is Pangzhou Winter Festival. You can see Pangzhou Pass Winter Festival, and we have the festival known as Lori Festival, which is mainly related to Goa actually. Next we have something called Hornbill Festival, which is celebrated in, that's a hornbill is a bird which is celebrated in Nagaland. Very important question. Yaoshang Festival is celebrated in the place called as Manipur, and we have Chapchurkut Festival in Mizoram. Why these northeast states are very important for your exams? It is a gunshot question. One question is gunshot, I am damn sure, but you have to learn because it's your exam. At least elimination process also you must know. So Nishagandhi Festival is celebrated in Nishagandhi, Kerala. So it is a southern Indian festivals. So next we have Wangala Festival, which is there in Meghalaya. So which festival is celebrated, and the annually you can see here, very important. So Magh Bihu, Assam. To which state of India is the Hornbill Festival? That is Nagaland. Next we have Behrin Khalam Festival, which is in Meghalaya. So you can directly segregate together. In which state of India is Noakhai Festival is celebrated? That is Odisha. Gochi Festival is celebrated in Himachal Pradesh, and we have Baishagu Festival, that is Assam. International Sand Art Festival. Sand is very important. In that Odisha beaches, there are people who makes different sand arts. So that is in Odisha, which is famous. Chhat Puja is in Bihar. Now we have Bangana Festival. It is in Maharashtra, which is very important. And Chhat Shukra is a popular traditional dance festival of Meghalaya, guys. This is sowing festival. See, this kind of dance festival of Meghalaya, sowing, we know that sowing of plants. The festival Anthurium is celebrated in Mizoram, and Shirui Lili, there is a Lili Shirui. So this is Manipur. Wangala Festival is Meghalaya. National Youth Festival is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. We know that this youth festival is celebrated on his birthday, Swami Vivekananda, all over the India. And we have Education Minister Abul Kalam Azad. We have Children's Festival, that is Jawaharlal Nehru's birthplace. Teachers Day, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birth date. So this you should know about them. We have Ashtamudi Lake, which is located in Kerala. Chalakudi Lake, which is also there. It's the only oxbow lake of South India in Kerala. Songo Lake is a glacial lake located in Sikkim, guys. Boshi Lake is located in Maharashtra. Even Loktak, I want you guys to comment where exactly this Loktak Lake is located. When it comes to a lake which is formed by the meteor in Maharashtra, it is located. I want that lake name. You will have in exams. Then tell me the name of the lake which is formed by the asteroid in Maharashtra. So you may be asked this question. Pukode Lake is located in Kerala, and we have wetlands in Kerala, that is Sastamkota Lake. Rivers which flows from south to north, that is Betwa, guys. Tawa River is the tributary of Narmada. Methi River, which passes through Mumbai, and the largest tributary of Indus River is Chenab. So very important. So we have few things. It can be we can wind up. This is the last page. The Aravari River, you know that it's the smallest river in India, we can call it as, which is located in Rajasthan, which has got the 45 kilometers of length. And we have Saryu River. It's a tributary of Gandhara. Kibini is an important tributary of the river Kaveri. Anushka Shankar, she is a sitar player. Now we come dance related. Bhawai Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan. So Bhawai is different, Ghumar dance is different. See that spelling of Ghumar also. There is one dance called Jhumair. It's very important, you don't get confused. Jammu and Kashmir, then Rauf dance, which is performed by the woman. Chow Fat is a folk dance of northeastern states of Sikkim. Suwa Nach is a traditional dance form of Chhattisgarh. You will have one question related to this. That is the reason why I am telling again and again. Ghumura is different, Ghumar is different. This Ghumura you can find in Odisha. Pandwani, Chhattisgarh. Very important. Pandwani dance is in Chhattisgarh. If I say Lavani dance, it is in Maharashtra. Elak Karadi is a tribal dance form which is located in, see that Karadi, that type of sentences you will find in Kerala. Kalbelia in Rajasthan, one of the important one. Hosagiri, which is located in this type of dances in Tripura. Loor dance, Loor festival, Loor dance and all in Haryana. We can see it. Hosagiri, it's Tripura guys. Nati, it is not Natu song. Nati is a folk dance of Himachal Pradesh. Very important. Nati, Himachal Pradesh, not Andhra Pradesh. So Natu, it's not Natu. It is Nati. It's a folk dance of Himachal. Pahadi logon ka. Normally Himachal people call them as Pahadi. Laho is a folk dance of Meghalaya guys. Raut Nacha is a tribal dance which is performed in Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur guys. Sangrai is a folk dance of Tripura. So you can see how exactly the importance of various dances. Bagurumba, it is a Bodo community in Assam. They'll ask tomorrow, the question is where exactly the Bodo community lives. So you have to write Assam, Bodo Bagurumba dance. So this is like this. Traditional bamboo dance of Mizoram called as Chirao. Povada dance, you can see performing art forms in the state of Maharashtra guys. So this Chirao dance you'll find in Mizoram. Paika folk dance performed by members of the society. So you must know how exactly this Paika folk dance which is celebrated in Jharkhand, that is Paika. We have various tribes. This Mundari dance belongs to the tribes of Jharkhand state. Very important guys. So you may be asked, Mundari tribe is located in which place? That is Jharkhand area. This type of dance performed. Mopin is a festival of the Galo tribe of Arunachal Pradesh, celebrated in the April during the every year. So this festival is celebrated by Galo tribe of Arunachal. The harvest festival of Puthari is celebrated by Kodava community. So I want you guys to comment me where exactly Kodava community exists. Very important question. It has been asked already. So the harvest festival Puthari is celebrated by this Kodava tribe. Lozar festival is celebrated by the people of Monpa tribe. So this Lozar festival and Monpa tribe. You can comment me the respective state. The tribe belongs to Nilgiri mountains is Thoda. Very important. Thoda tribe which is there in Tamil Nadu. Ratvai is a dance form associated with the Mewati tribes of India guys. Cholia is a sword dance meant to depict martial art traditional of the Kumoni tribe guys. Cholia. Zairo festival, you can see Zairo festival of music. It is celebrated in Himachal. That is Nyokom Yellow tribe is celebrated this Zairo festival. Right? Tomorrow you will be asked one question. Which tribe is celebrated the Zairo festival of Himachal? So that is Nyokom Yellow. Highest mountain peak of Chota Nagpur Plat is Parsanath. This is the highest mountain peak. If I say in southern India, Annamudai. And we have the in Vindhyagiri range, highest peak is Mahendragiri guys. In Arunachal state, the highest peak is Kangtok. So these are various important. You may be asked where exactly Mahendragiri peak is located. Then you will have to answer Vindhyagiri. And we have to answer Kangtok peak is located in which place? Arunachal Pradesh. These are the questions you may be asked in every format. Any kind of format you may be asked. This is your exam. You have to prepare well. That is the reason you better prepare topic wise and get the things done in a streamline. Then you will be confident in sitting examinations. I hope all these questions will help you in making good content for you to succeed in exams. This is Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.